Hello, and welcome back to Zarnista Studios. Today we're going to look at something a little different. Normally I only review entertainment vehicles, but this one fits too. This belonged to my father, a real superhero. This is a 1955 Ford Bell telephone repair truck. This is made by Durham Classics and is made of white metal. There was a time not that long ago when you didn't even own your phone. When it broke, you called the serviceman to come fix it. And this little diecast really captures that moment in time perfectly. It really looks nice. The decals, the paint, the ladder is nice. The overall look and feel is just perfectly done. This will fit nicely into any 1/43rd scale or Hollywood entertainment collection. So thank you for stopping by and happy collecting. We'll see you soon.